Tomara que a Júlia seja muito feliz com a escolha dela.
Watch this.
East Hills for back to school. Denim haircut. Backpacks, come get your backpack.
Boots and pants and boots and pants.
New shoes.
Get yourself an outfit.
Denim
Boots and pants and boots and pants.
Haircut.
new shoes. So get yourself back to school with East Hills.
Haircut.
Pretty much everywhere, it's gonna be hot. Janet?
Then I don't need a jacket. Thanks, Arthur.
Hey buddy, we're at PetSmart. We're at PetSmart. You wanna go to PetSmart, Captain?
Off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. With you, he is the wizard who wins if ever a wiz there was.
That's just a stupid boulder!
It's not just a boulder! It's a rock!
You know, they say all men are created equal, but you look at me and you look at Small Joe, and you can see that statement is not true. See, normally if you go one-on-one with another wrestler, you got a 50-50 chance of winning. But I'm a genetic freak, and I'm not normal. So you got a 25% at best at beating me. And then you add Kurt Angle to the mix, your chances of winning drastically go down. See, the three-way at Sacrifice, you got a 33 1/3 chance of winning. But I got a 66 2/3 chance of winning because Kurt Angle knows he can't beat me, and he's not even going to try. So, Samoa Joe, you take your 33 1/3 chance minus my 25% chance, and you got an 8 1/3 chance of winning at Sacrifice. But then you take my 75% chance of winning, if we used to go one-on-one, and then add 66 2/3%, I got 141 2/3 chance of winning at Sacrifice. See, Joe, the numbers don't lie, and they spell disaster for you at Sacrifice.
Somewhere in like New York. That's the ocean, Charlie. That's only shit.
How could I ever acquire enough detail to make them think that it's reality?
Have you ever had a dream that you want him to do you so much you could do anything?
You need to put your hands like that so you can do.
Hey, prepare.
I pooped my pants.
She's a wolf.
in mouse clothing. The mouse's ghostly howl stakes claim to
Good boy, go, go. Go on, Jet. Oh my.
Magic trick.
Time to feed my babies. They've never seen this next one.
Yo, why is it that Katzengano is so hard to shake here? Half of
laugh was gross, so I turned around and I said, yeah, well, your face is gross.